Okay. Hi, I am Mark Milutinovic, and this is my Sprint 1 walkthrough. This sprint, I got a lot done. I was more of a brainstorming and basically get the shell of the application built kind of sprint. I ran into a couple bugs along the way. The most major of them is when I had things working well, and then I accidentally copied a file recursively into my project library and destroyed my project, so I had to rebuild it. So this version gave me a little bit of time to think about designs because I basically trashed the first project. So I've reevaluated some things in here. So I'm going to go over the application and explain what I've worked on. So here's the Xcode file. My application is basically set up in a single view application mode. You've got the main view controller, you've got settings that are based off of it, and a location. And I'll show you some of that stuff over here in the app. So when the app first starts running, you will be prompted for the first time to allow location services. What it does is it zooms in. So it zooms into San Jose because this is what Apple spoofs the location of its simulator on. So it zooms in, and then that's where your little blue dot appears. If we go up here, you have the option to do the settings as before, or you can add a location. This is the concept of the safe zones. So I scrapped the name safe zones because the name itself wasn't very appealing. So I'm thinking of calling this instead here, or still working on that. But yeah, so there's a map where you'll be able to search for a location, and you'll be able to determine if this location or safe zone is shareable with your friends. So going over to the code base is as follows. So as you saw before, there was a Facebook notification, Facebook login option. So that is based off of these three frameworks here. They're all supplied by Facebook, and it has a unique identifier. So if you go into the code itself, this here returns the Facebook app delegate. Basically, what it will do is it will either log into Facebook via Safari, or it will log into Facebook via the Facebook app. And I'll do a quick overview here of what code I have. So this depends on location services. So import core location is a iOS functionality. So it finds the current location when the view is loaded. Then we set the accuracy to the best accuracy. After we do that, we look for the location. In that case, it was San Jose area, Apple headquarters. Then it shows a blue dot at that location. We have Facebook login, stuff below. This stuff here is all stuff that was on the Facebook page. In order to hook up Facebook authentication, you have to include this big chunk of code here. And then it allows you to log out, etc. One of the interesting things you have to do is the Facebook stuff has both Objective-C and Swift code, so you have to create a bridging header, and the bridging header, it allows you to use both and therefore import from the frameworks. And this is very useful because Facebook's tutorial did not cover that you have to bridge your stuff over if you want to write in Swift. So that's all in the settings. But yeah, overall, it's been a good sprint thus far. I'm going to definitely do some more redesign, and hopefully next video I will have a even more functional app. Yep, thanks.